for today's toys video is about Snake and Ladder game. So what is Snake and Ladder game? Snake and Ladder game is an interactive game that we can play with multiple people. So I will share with you how to play this game as well as their benefits later in this video. So stay tuned. So how do we play this game? Firstly, we need to roll the dice. Here we have a dice. So let's see which number I land on. As you can see there, I land on number 6. So the second step is we move to the number by jumping. For example, I will move here. Since I am bigger, I will use 1 foot. And then I will jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, I'm at number 6. Next step is, if we land on ladder, we can go higher. We can go to higher number. But if we land on the snake mouth, we need to go down to the lowest number. And the last step is, the first person who pass or cross the number 100 will be the winner. For example, right now, in the last box, the 100 baht will be taking the title winner. So next, I will continue with the benefits of this game. With Snake and Ladder game, it helps to improve children's gross motor skill. For example, they learn how to throw the dice or jumping to move to the number. Next, it helps to improve children's social cues. For example, in this game, they learn other people's expression, other people's body language, as well as their tone of voice that they use while playing the game. Are they happy? Are they sad or angry if they lose the game? So, and lastly, they learn mathematical concepts such as sequencing. For example, when they move to the number, as well as they learn counting the numbers. For example, 1 until 100. So that is all for me, and thank you for watching.